while we're here on this pilgrimage, it's something for many of us is one time a year we come to a holy place. We come here to pray, to beg, and to cry for pure devotion. We come here as beggars knowing that we really have no true love for Krishna. And true love for Krishna can never be achieved by anything we do, anything we say, or anything we think. It is given by Sri Radharani, by Sri Krishna, through their loving devotees when they are pleased with us. And there is no other way to receive it. So we come on pilgrimages to beg for that love, to beg for that spirit of unmotivated service, to beg for a true taste for hearing the glories and pastimes of Krishna and chanting his holy names in every aspect of our lives. We should aspire to follow in the footsteps of the great souls. We cannot imitate, but to capture within our hearts the spirit of the aspirations and the example of the great Vaishnavas is the true path of perfection. His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, as founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, taught us by his words and by his example how to live every moment of our lives, how to eat, how to sleep, how to walk, how to dance.
Hare Krishna. I am actually having mixed feelings. The happiness of welcoming you all for another Kartik Yatra. Then why I am saying mixed? Last year I had the same kind of function to welcoming you all of you for our Kartik Yatra, which was online, and we were thinking that maybe next year we should do it in person. But Krishna has his own ways. The pandemic still rules, at least rules over some of the externals of this material world. But what it cannot take away is our desire to glorify Srila Prabhupada. Kartik 2021, the theme is the 125th year of Srila Prabhupada's appearance. We are celebrating it with making Kolkata the theme of this yatra. And the importance of Kartik, Srila Prabhupada explains in the Nectar of Devotion that Srimati Radharani is known as Urjeshwari, and Urja Vrat, or the vow of serving Krishna during Kartik, is by increased remembrance, increased chanting, association of devotees. And of course, one thing which we cannot do is the aspect of Pada Sevanam. Of the 9 processes of bhakti, Pada Sevanam is to worship and serve the lotus feet of the Lord. And it also has another subcategory to utilize our feet in the service of the Lord's Dham. So, for all of you who have been regularly coming to Radha Gopinath Mandir's Kartik Yatra, the buses, the pandals, the prasad, the touring, the icing on the cake is the class in the evening and the Damodar Ashtak prayers. Well, no need to travel by buses, no big pandal to be erected. We cannot serve you physical prasad and no touring, but the class will be there. And this is how we are going to celebrate our Kartik 2021 with the theme Srila Prabhupada's birthplace, Kolkata. All the days that we will be having our online yatra, our special team has been to Kolkata, has done beautiful video recording of the places associated with Srila Prabhupada's pastimes, and will be showing you snippets all these days. Wish you all a very auspicious Kartik 2021. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Srila Prabhupada is a divinely empowered messenger sent by Lord Krishna to fulfill two prophecies. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prophecy was that the holy name of Lord Krishna will be chanted in every town and village. Thakur Bhakti Vinod also predicted a personality will soon appear who would preach the teachings of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and move unrestrictedly over the whole world with his message. Recognizing Srila Prabhupada as this personality, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, his spiritual master, asked him to preach the message of Lord Krishna in the English language to the Western world. He further instructed him to print books if he ever got any money. This instruction of preaching in the English language was given at one Ulta Danga Junction Road, and that's a very, very important holy place in Kolkata for those who have faith in His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada's phenomenal success is because he took these two instructions of his spiritual master to the heart and fulfilled them very sincerely. Srila Prabhupada, who was born and raised in Kolkata, went to college in Kolkata, did business for a very significant amount of years, and even though traveling in other parts of India for his business, maintained his base in Kolkata, is therefore very, very significantly connected to the city of Kolkata. So when Srila Prabhupada took sannyas and then departed for America in 1965, from the period of 1965 till 1977, what did Srila Prabhupada do? Because as Srila Prabhupada was entering into the Jaladuta ship at Khidarpur dock in Kolkata, he just appeared to be one of the passengers, a 70-year-old Kolkata passenger. Nobody had any clue that this personality, Srila Prabhupada, would build over 100 temples and farm communities worldwide. Srila Prabhupada traveled the world 14 times across all the continents, translated over 80 books including the Gita Bhagavatam and the Chaitanya Charitamrita, wrote over 7,000 letters to his disciples. Srila Prabhupada dictated over 22,000 pages of text and initiated over 5,000 disciples. Srila Prabhupada's recorded conversations are published in 48 volumes. His transcribed lectures are published in 18 volumes. Srila Prabhupada established the BBT, the Bhaktivedanta Book Trust International, the largest publisher of Vedic literatures in the world. He published the Back to Godhead magazine, now selling over 1 million copies. He started the world's largest vegetarian food relief program. As a result of his divine grace, Srila Prabhupada's efforts, as we celebrate his 125th birth anniversary in the form of an online Kartik Yatra to the Dham of Kolkata, let us see where ISKCON is today. There are 667 ISKCON temples worldwide, more than 95,000 initiated devotees. The Food for Life program since 1966 has distributed more than 3 billion free plates of prasadam. 1.2 million meals are distributed every day in schools as part of the midday meal program. More than 1,000 parties go out for chanting every week. There are more than 6,000 Krishna festivals held every year. Since 1966, 516 million Srila Prabhupada books have been distributed worldwide. There are more than 3,000 home program groups which meet every week. More than 260,000 kilometers have been walked by the Padyatra teams of ISKCON in more than 52,000 villages across 110 countries. More than 65 ecological farms and villages have been established globally 110 vegetarian restaurants established globally, and more than 9 million people come for worship at the ISKCON temples every year. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada was a social and spiritual revolutionary. He created a revolution in every corner of the globe by transforming the hearts and the minds of people from all backgrounds to higher consciousness to develop love of God and service to all. Srila Prabhupada was a prolific author on the science of Krishna, and one of his most significant contributions are his books. They contain a master plan for living on a personal, national and universal scale. Srila Prabhupada is one of the most widely read author of any Bhagavad Gita commentary in print, translated in more than 50 languages. His books have become recommended textbooks in major universities of the world. Srila Prabhupada created a house where the whole world could live in the true environment of a spiritual United Nations. Devotees of ISKCON represent a sweeping diversity of nationalities, races, ethnicities and religious background. Srila Prabhupada was a great cultural ambassador of India to the West. He took India's greatest wealth, the culture and spirituality, and established it all over the world. Today, Indian culture such as Rath Yatra, spiritual festivals, chanting Harinam, paintings of Krishna pastimes and deity worship can be seen in every corner of the globe thanks to the contributions of His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada was a pioneer of Vedic spiritual science. His disciples introduced the higher dimensional theistic paradigm in the modern science through the Bhaktivedanta Institute, thus inaugurating a historic new chapter in the revival of Vedic science in modern times. Thus, we are so fortunate that on his 125th birth anniversary, we are able to visit all the holy places in Kolkata online and offer our respects to that great personality who has transformed the flow of the current society forever.
Hare Krishna. 500 years ago, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in Mayapur Dham and spread the holy name of Lord Shri Krishna. And he predicted that these names of Lord Krishna will be chanted all around the world. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came with the mood of Audarya, merciful, Namo Mahavadanyaya mood. Dina Hina Jata Chilo, Harinama Uddharilo. Qualified, not qualified, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his mercy to everyone. We have received this mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We were not even knowing about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and now we know about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We are receiving his mercy, and this has come true because of Srila Prabhupada. So how true it is that because of Srila Prabhupada we have got connected to this vast ocean of mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yasya prasadat bhagavat prasado. The Mahaprasad of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the mercy of Mahaprabhu, can be accessed through the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. Isn't it so unique to also see that when we want to go to Mayapur, when we travel to Yatra to Mayapur, either we go by train or by plane, we have to get there at Calcutta, and from Calcutta we travel to Mayapur. So through Calcutta we go to Mayapur, right? And what is Calcutta all about? Calcutta is the birthplace of Srila Prabhupada. So we can't reach Chaitanya Mahaprabhu without the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. We can't reach Mayapur without the mercy of going to the city of Calcutta. So how unique it is that we have our Kartik Yatra 2021 to the Kolkata Dham. And what a unique time to come here when we are celebrating all over the world the 125th birth anniversary of Srila Prabhupada. And in this special anniversary, we have got Srila Prabhupada's birthplace entirely in the name of ISKCON now. And also soon the Ulta Danga Junction, the famous meeting place, the first meeting place of Srila Prabhupada with his spiritual master, that place also is going to open up soon. So at this time, such fortunate event has happened that we are also coming here to experience the beautiful Dham of Calcutta in the association of devotees. So the next few days, kindly keep yourself tuned in. We're going to experience the beautiful places in Calcutta. We have with us His Grace Ananga Mohan Prabhu, who is a very expert Dham Darshak guide, who even takes Srila Prabhupada disciples all around Calcutta. And we have around 20 places, those places which we had not even seen before or heard before. Those places will be revealed to us in this Kartik Yatra 2021. So kindly tune in and hear the mesmerizing talks, the mesmerizing visuals of Srila Prabhupada's Leela places, and let's dive deep into Srila Prabhupada Leelamrita.
So this is a good opportunity for devotees to come here, and just like we go to pilgrimage to Vrindavan, Puri and Mayapur, that's the place where Lord Chaitanya was born. He did his pastime, and he also always worshipped Krishna, wanted to go to Vrindavan. So these three places are very important for Gaudiya Vaishnavas, because that's associated with Lord Chaitanya and his activities. Similarly, for ISKCON devotees, Calcutta is a very special place because Srila Prabhupada spent his childhood and his youth, his meeting with his spiritual master, his instruction to preach and establish ISKCON. Everything happened in this city. So this is also a place of pilgrimage for all the devotees of ISKCON, just like other three places are, Mayapur, Vrindavan and Puri. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. So we welcome all the devotees for our Kartik Yatra 2021, and we are in a very, very holy place of Kolkata. Here we have the famous Howrah station. Here we have on this side the famous Howrah bridge, and the most famous and the purifying Mother Ganga. So this is a special yatra. We are having this yatra on account of Srila Prabhupada's 125th birth anniversary, and we are very happy to welcome His Grace Ananga Mohan Prabhu from ISKCON Calcutta to take us on the holy tour of Calcutta to witness Srila Prabhupada's places and all our Guru Parampara places. So let us welcome Anang Mohan Prabhu. Welcome Prabhu, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Thank you very much, Prabhu. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Very happy to be here with you, and let's start. This is, I think, already you have introduced, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I am obliged and blessed to take all of you for Prabhupada birthplace, Calcutta Dham's Yatra.
Hare Krishna. So let's start our journey to Calcutta Dham. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol! We are in Kolkata, the holy birthplace of Srila Prabhupada. As you can all see, we've registered with our whole family for this year's Kartik Yatra. We hope and pray that each one of you have also registered along with your family and friends.
Old Tadinga Junction Road is the first place where Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Thakur established Gaudiya Math. Also, Vishnu Vaishnava Raj Sabha was announced here, and this is the place where Srila Prabhupada met Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So, let's develop this place. Our heritage is very important.
We are already seeing people from all over the world are coming here to see this place. And in this way, the glory of the city, Calcutta, will spread. People from all over the world will come to see this wonderful place, this #1 Ultadanga Junction Road, where Srila Prabhupada made his spiritual master for the first time. So you also come, please come and see this place, and which is one of the most important Tirthasthan. Hare Krishna.
Namamishwaram Sachi Anandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Bhrajamana Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Bhrajamana Jashoda bhiyalu phaladhavamana paramrishtamatanta todutagopya Jashoda bhiyalu phaladhavamana paramrishtamatanta todutagopya Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Bhrajamana Rudantang muhurnetram jugmamrijantam Karam bhuja jugmena shatam kanitram रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं जुग्ममृजन्तं करं भुज जुग्मेन शतङ्कनेत्रम् मुहुशाशुकम्प त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठ स्थितग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् मुहुर्शशुकम्प त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठ स्थितग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानं इति दृक्षलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सघोषं निमज्जन्तम् आख्यापयन्तम् इति दृक्षलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सघोषं निमज्जन्तम् आख्यापयन्तम् तद्देशितज्ञेषु भक्तर्जितात्ता पुनः प्रेमतस्तां शतावृत्तिवन्दे तद्देशितज्ञेषु भक्तर्जितात्ता पुनः प्रेमतस्तां शतावृत्तिवन्दे नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमानं वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षवधिं वा न चान्नं वृणेऽहं वरेषदपिह वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्ष मोक्षवधिं वा न चान्नं वृणेऽहं वरेषदपिहा इदं ते वो पूर्णाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्या विरस्तं किमन्ना इदं ते वो पूर्णाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्या विरस्तं किमन्ना नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमाना नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमाना इदं ते मोखाम्बोजमत्यन्तनीलय वृतं कुन्तलै स्निग्धरक्तश्च गोप्या इदं ते मोखाम्बोजमत्यन्तनीलय वृतं कुन्तलै स्निग्धरक्तश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरस्ताम् अलं लक्ष्यलाभः मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरस्ताम् अलं लक्ष्यलाभः नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमाना नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्रजमाना नमो देवो दामोदराय अनंत विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभु दुःख जलधिमग्ना नमो देवो दामोदराय अनंत विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभु दुःख जलधिमग्ना कृपा दृष्टि पृष्ठाति दीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामग्रमेद्धक्षिदृश कृपा दृष्टि पृष्ठाति दीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामग्रमेद्धक्षिदृश नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं कुबेरात्मजो बद्धमूर्तैव जद्वा तयामुचितो भक्ति भाजो कृतो च कुबेरात्मजो बद्धमूर्तैव जद्वा तयामुचितो भक्ति भाजो कृतो च तथा प्रेम भक्ति शकां मे प्रजच्छ नमो शीघ्रहो मे स्थिदामोदरेहा तथा प्रेम भक्ति शकां मे प्रजच्छ नमो शीघ्रहो मे स्थिदामोदरेहा नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने तदीयोदारायथ विश्वधाम्ने नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने तदीयोदारायथ विश्वधाम्ने नमो राधिकायै तदीयप्रियाय नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमो राधिकायै तदीयप्रियाय नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधे जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधे जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे जय राधा मदन मोहन राधा मदन मोहन राधे जय राधा गोपीनाथ राधा गोपीनाथ राधे जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे जय राधा माधव राधा माधव राधे जय राधा रस बिहारी राधा रस बिहारी राधे जय राधा पार्थ सारथी राधा पार्थ सारथी राधे जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधे जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama